How to factory reset and erase the iPhone 17 series. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Erase all content and settings. Make sure you are connecting to the internet, otherwise it might have trouble going to the next page. Now in here, tap on Continued and say, do you want to keep eSIM and erase the data, or simply delete the eSIM and erase the data as well? So for now, I can choose Keep eSIM and erase data. Next, put in your Apple account password to turn it off. Once you put in your Apple account password, it will proceed to erase the iPhone. So this is quite important because once you put in the password, it will go ahead and erase the iPhone. So make sure you have backup your data on your iPhone. Otherwise, you may have issues recovering photos and documents, etc. So always make sure you back up your data before erasing your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video.